Hey everyone, I picked up a new set of tires today, a new used set of tires, and I just wanted to show you the difference between these two tire sizes. So I've got the 275/70 18s, which is a size which came on the truck. Both of these are BF Goodrich All-Terrain TAKO2s, and the second set of tires is 305/65 18. So as far as height, by the book they're only about half an inch difference, the 305s being half an inch taller, but as you can see, these ones are fairly worn. These are the 305s. I paid $190 for them, which I don't think is too bad considering that they're almost $500 a tire in my area. So if I get 1 or 2 summers out of them, that's fine with me. These are the 275/70 18s, which are about 1 year old, and I haven't put a lot of miles on them. But if we line them up, you can see the 275/70 18s look a little bit taller because they still have most of their tread left, whereas the other ones are pretty worn down. So the difference is negligible here. We've also got the weight of the truck on those back tires, so they're pretty much the exact same height. And let's go look at where the real difference lies. Okay, so front tire, you can see they're about an inch wider. So by the book they're 1.2 inches wider, and you can really see that show up here. Or I can, I'm not sure if you can, but they are wider, so that's where your clearance issues are going to be. On a stock truck, you probably wouldn't clear the 305/65 18 tires. You should have a lift. This is a Pro 4X, so it's got a 1.5 inch lift, and that lets me clear them. There's tons of clearance up front. Where it's close is back here. So with my level kit, lift kit, I'm fine with these. If you don't have that, you might have some contact back here. You're gonna probably take your flap off. If you take your fender liner out, I believe there's a pinch weld back here which you can trim back to give you some more room. But if you got a lift block on the front, you should be fine with these tires. If not, you will have to do some trimming. And they also stick out more. So they come out about half an inch wider, which is about just right for this truck in my opinion. Too much and you're just throwing rocks all over the side of your truck. So they stick out a bit more. I wanted a set of used tires to beat up over the summer, so I'm not wearing out my good ones. All the truck pulls for this year have been canceled in my area, so I might have to do something else. The racetracks are open, so maybe I'll try hitting the drag strip once or twice this summer just to try it out and see how that goes. Thanks for watching. Please comment if you have any comments, and subscribe for more videos.